What is up, you guys? It's your girl Shay, and I'm back with another video. If you are new to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and join the family. If you've been rocking with me for a while, welcome back. You guys, today I am going to be making guacamole for you guys. So it's not really a cooking with Shay episode. It's more like putting a whole bunch of stuff together with Shay. But I wanted to show you guys how I make it because when I have family functions or functions at work, one of the things that people like that I bring is my guacamole. And so I just wanted to show you guys how I make it. And guacamole is pretty easy. Most people probably already know how to make it. But people always ask me what I put in mine because most people don't really put a lot of stuff in there. Some people just put just the avocado in theirs, but I put a few ingredients in mine. Let me know down in the comments how you make yours and if there are other things that you add to yours, because I love to try new recipes for guacamole because guacamole is like one of my favorite things. So if you want to see how I make my guacamole, stick around. Here is the ingredients that you will be needing for the guacamole. You guys, I've been asked a few times how to cut up an avocado, and it's really simple. This is the way I cut it up. You just want to cut it down the middle like this and around, and then you want to twist to open it up. Then to get the seed out, you want to hit it and then just turn and take that out. The way I get the avocado out is I just make little slits all the way through the avocado like this, and then across. And then you take your bowl and just scoop it all out of the shell with a spoon, like so. After you get all of your avocado in the bowl, the next thing you want to do is just take a fork and just kind of smash it all down, just to kind of break it up a little. Some people like their guacamole really chunky. If I'm making a big bunch and I'm using like 4, maybe 5 avocados, then I do that. But when I'm just making a few, I just like to break it down a little bit. So not you know, to where it's just all super mushy, but just a little bit. There's still a few chunks in there. So the next thing you want to do is you want to squeeze half of the lime, and I rolled this lime out, so hopefully it'll give me some good juice. It doesn't seem to be wanting to give me any right now. You want to just squeeze half of that lime in there, and I'm going to use the other half of the lime later on. So there we go. You guys, excuse my gloves. I put the gloves on when I'm cutting the onions, so I don't have that smell on my hands. So after you put the lime in, the next thing you want to do is you just want to add a little bit, probably like a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic salt. And literally like 2 shakes, maybe 2 pinches of black pepper. And then you want to take your tomato, your onion, and your jalapeno, and just scoop that all into the bowl. Now you guys, most of these ingredients are optional. Guacamole is not, you know, there's no right way to make it. It's just kind of, you make it how you want to make it. I just happen to, when I go to restaurants, a Mexican restaurant, if they give us pico and guacamole, I like to mix them together. So it's kind of like a pico and guacamole mixed together. That's what this is really. So after you put all of that in there and you mix it up, then you want to add a little bit. You can add as much cilantro as you like. My son is not really a big fan of cilantro, but he loves guacamole. So I'm just going to put a little bit in here for me. And mix it all together. And then you want to take your other half of your lime and squeeze that in there. Adding the lime will also help with the guacamole turning brown. All right, and it should look like this when you're done. I hope you guys like that quick little video. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.